Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how my Excel file works to track income and expenses across bank accounts. This file is designed for quickly and easily monitoring cash flow without needing to enter each individual transaction manually. It aggregates transactions from multiple accounts and categorizes them automatically, letting you view income and expenses through intuitive, easy-to-read charts. The file supports multiple currencies, automatically converting them to your local currency with no limits on subcategories or the number of transactions. It can track multiple years, display monthly data, and you can select any period to analyze cash flow. The key advantage is the automated transaction entry and categorization. Here you can see the sheet Start. This section has step-by-step instructions for using the Excel file and two fields for your personal settings. Enter your local currency, and if you have transactions in other currencies, you'll need to sign up for a free account on openexchangerates.org and enter the provided API key. This enables automatic conversion of foreign transactions into your local currency. Here you'll find buttons to process the file. The Start button aggregates all account transactions and categorizes them, while Update All refreshes data like pivot tables, charts, cash flow balance, and account balances. In the cash balance sheet, you'll see the total balance across all accounts, a graph of its trend over time, individual bank balances, and their respective charts. It also displays the latest aggregated transactions from all accounts for quick reference. The tab Cash Flow is the core of the file, where all cash flow statistics are. You can select the time period you want to view. It shows the cash flow result and its trend for that period, along with the impact rates of investments and liabilities on total income. The cash flow is also broken down monthly, with a clear chart showing month-by-month cash flow results. The analysis continues with a graphical and numerical view of income and expenses across the four main categories: active income, passive income, investments, and liabilities. You can drill down further to see the individual subcategories in each main category, so you know exactly where your money comes from and where it's going. The worksheet Income Expenses is the file's heart, where all transactions from individual banks are aggregated and categorized. This data is used to create the cash flow and cash balance reports. Transfers, active income, passive income, investments, and liabilities sheets are part of the file's settings. Here, you enter the descriptions for each transaction type to allow the file to automatically categorize bank movements. These sheets represent the categories for transactions. Inside each, you can add your chosen subcategories. Categories can't be changed, but subcategories can be customized freely. The column headers will be your subcategories, and you'll enter descriptions of transactions under the corresponding subcategory. For example, in the Transfers sheet, enter descriptions for transactions like starting balances or transfers between accounts, such as balance adjustments. These transactions don't affect cash flow, but help determine account balances. In the Active Income sheet, list descriptions of transactions for income earned from work that requires your time, like salary, freelance income, or earnings from trading. In Passive Income, add descriptions for income generated passively with little or no effort, such as bond coupons, deposit account interest, stock dividends, royalties, etc. In Investments, include descriptions for expenses to buy productive assets like stock shares, bonds, land, or buildings. In Liabilities, enter descriptions for expenses that don't generate value, like shopping, housing, restaurants, groceries, entertainment, and so on. In the following worksheets, paste transactions copied from bank statements. Each sheet represents a bank, named with a two-digit number, an underscore, and the bank's name. Start with the account's opening balance, then paste the transactions from the statement. It's best to copy data column by column, since the statement layout may differ from the sheet format. Ensure expenses are marked with a minus sign. Create more sheets if you have additional bank accounts. This personal finance Excel model automatically tracks income, expenses, and cash flow. With Visual Basic integration, transactions are categorized and analyzed automatically, saving time and eliminating manual data entry. Key strengths include the automatic aggregation of transactions from all accounts, auto-categorization based on transaction descriptions, and currency conversion for foreign-denominated transactions. Few other files can match this level of automation, letting you skip manual transaction entry and categorization. That's the general overview of the file and its sheets. If you're interested in purchasing it, check the description for the links. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.